This is your code book. So in this Python tutorial we are going to discuss about comments and multiple assignments. So what is mean by comment? A comment allows us to write symbol notes on our program. For better documentation, every programmer should add comments in their program. That will help you to understand the concept later or some other programmers. And remember, these comments always ignored by the Python interpreter during the execution of your code. Here we have two type of comments. One is single line comment, the another one is the multi-line comment. So in single line comment, the statement must preceded by the hash symbol. So every line followed by hash symbol ignored by the Python interpreter. So multi-line comment, if you want to add comments more than one lines, you can go with 3 double quotes or 3 single quotes. So let me explain with the example. Let's write a program for average of 2 numbers. So open a new file. So the program name is average of 2 numbers. So here the hash symbol followed by I am typing the name of the program. So the purpose of code is to find average of 2 numbers. So look at the color here. I am going to read 2 numbers. So x is equal to int input enter first number and the next statement is read another number. So I will change this here. So second enter second number and then change the variable also y, and I am creating the variable average. Average is equal to x plus y divided by 2. Print average the variable name avg. So let me save the program. So avg, so average of 2 numbers. So press F5 to run your code. So something missed. Okay, unexpected end of file while pausing. So parenthesis missing here. Save the program again using Ctrl S. Press F5 to run your code. So name error. Okay, input or there is a function we typo mistake. So delete things. Again use Ctrl S to save the program. Press F5, enter the first number. Look at the right side screen. I am giving 10 and 20. So the average is 15.0. So here look at the first line of our program, average of 2 numbers. This is the comment. So the average of 2 numbers preceded by hash symbol. So every line preceded by hash symbol is ignored by the compiler. So the execution always begins from the second line. So why should we add comments in our program? So this is simple program, but the large project we are have a team, and the team has many members. So if you are writing the code with the comments, every programmer will understand the purpose of the code. So this is the use of comments in our every program. And then this is single line comment, and again you should add the single line comment anywhere in the program. For example, I am adding here before this one, simply I am writing average calculation. So these comments has no effect in our program. Okay, for better documentation or better readability, we are adding comments in our program. So Control S to save your program, press F5 to run the program again. So I am giving 2 and then 3. So the average is 2.5. So this is about a single line comment. Okay, suppose you want to add multi-line comment, that is more than one lines. More than one line means you can use either 3 double quotes or 3 single quotes. Let me show the example again. So take this example here, average of 2 numbers, so 3 single quotes, and second line, first line name of the program. So name of the program, in second line I am going to write date. Okay, so the date when it was created, some dd, okay, month and y, and you can add again also, so other a. So at the end you again add 3 double quotes, single quotes. So this is the multi-line command. Again these multi-line commands also ignored by the Python interpreter. So this is the one way. So let me run the program again. Use Control S to save the program. Press F5. So 20 and then 10. So average is 15.0. So the comments has no effect in your program. So again this is 3 single quotes. You can add 3 double quotes also. Okay, from beginning and ending of the comments. Okay, so look at the colors. You can easily understand these comments. So that's all about comments. So the better documentation or better readability, we are adding comments in our program. This is, remember, this is optional, but for later when we refer the code, we should understand the purpose of the code. That these comments will help during that time. So this is about comments. And the next one is multiple assignments. So assignment, generally assignment is used to assignment operator is used to assign the values from right side to left side. Okay, for example, if I am giving x is equal to 10, so the value 10 is assigned to the variable x. So here in multiple assignment, we are going to discuss 2 things. How a single value is assigned to multiple variables, and how a multiple values are assigned to multiple variables. For example, I am going to create 3 variables. Okay, so x comma y comma set, and then I'm going to assign three different or the same values. Okay, so 10 comma 10. So here the single value, okay, a single value is assigned to multiple variables. Okay, so x comma y comma z is equal to 10. This is the, okay, so type error, cannot unpack non-iterable object. Okay, yes, I made a mistake here. X is equal to y, x equal to y is equal to z is equal to 10. Okay, so assignment. So here x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 10. So in this statement, a single value 10 is assigned to more than one variables. Okay, so x, y, z. If we check the output of x, y, z, press x, okay, type x and press enter, and type y, press enter, and type s, z, press enter. You can see all the variables has the same value. Okay, again we can use the id of x and id of y and id of z. Okay, if you see the screen, all the location of the objects are same. So these three variable points to the same location, x, y, z. So the id is 9789280. So this is the first thing, how a single value is assigned to multiple variables. Okay, so not three, you can add more than three variable also. And second point is how multiple values assigned to multiple variables, okay, in a single line. So another example, so again I am creating three variables, x, y, okay, so x, y, z. Okay, no need to worry about this space. Okay, so for better readability I am adding spaces. So 10 comma 20 comma 30. So here multiple values, we have taken multiple values, the values are 10, 20 and 30. These three values are assigned to respectively x, y and z. If you are checking here, so x, look at the value, so x is equal to 10 and y is 20 and z is 30. So again check the id of each and every variable. So id of x, id of y and id of z. So all the three variables are stored in three different locations because the values are 10, 20, 30. So this is the second one, how multiple values are assigned to multiple variables. Okay, so here we are doing these two operations in a single line. Okay, remember, so let me write one program, swapping two numbers. Okay, swapping two numbers. Okay, so the name of the program is okay, so swapping two numbers. The objective of this program is we are going to read two numbers. For example, I am going to get x is equal to 10 comma y is equal to 20. So this is my input. Okay, instead of this hash symbol we will use multi-line comments. and output. So after swapping, x becomes 20 and y becomes 10. So this is the my input and expected output. Okay, so initially x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. After swapping, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. So let's write a code. So we have to get two numbers. So x is equal to int input enter first number so write the another line for read second number from the user end. So second y. So swapping two numbers, we know that using temporary variable we will do this swapping. So t is equal to x, x is equal to y, so y is equal to z. So let's print the result. So after swapping, x is equal to, okay, so when you are trying to print the value from the memory, okay, so mention the variable name. Okay, so what you have given between double quotes will appear on the screen. Okay, so except the variable name. So variable name replaced by what is the value stored in memory. So x, then now y is equal to comma y. Okay, so in this print statement, this after swapping x equal to this one printed on the output screen, this x is replaced by what is the value stored in memory, and this y, okay, between these single quotes will appear on the output screen, and this y is replaced by the value stored in the memory. So save your program. So the program name is swap, save. Okay, so press F5 to run the program. So enter first number. So first number is 10 and second number is 20. So name is set is not defined. Okay, so the mistake, we have not created the z variable. So instead of z it is t. Okay, so t is equal to x, x is equal to y, y is equal to t. So control S, run the code again. So first number 10 and then second number 20. So you can see the output. Okay, as we expected, we got the output after swapping x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. So this is the swapping two numbers. How we are going to write this swapping two numbers using these multiple assignments. Okay, so let me copy the code. Okay, copy this code and so new file, I will create a new file. Okay, so instead of these three statements, in simply I can give x comma y is equal to y comma x. So the effect of multiple assignments, this one x in single line, we can exchange or swapping two numbers. Okay, so save this code. So swap, okay, I am giving swap1.py. Okay, so look at the code here. So instead of these three statements, we have created only one statement. The statement is x comma y is equal to y comma x. So let's check the output of this code. So Control S, use F8 to run the code. The first number 10 and second number 20. So you can see the same output. We got the same output. So this is the effect of this multiple assignments. Okay. So multiple assignments, single value, how a single value is assigned to multiple variables, and how multiple values are assigned to multiple variables in a single line. This is the effect of multiple assignments. Let me run the code here. So you can visualize our code. Okay, swapping two numbers. Okay, the same code. Click this visualize execution. So this program link is available in the description. So click visualize execution. As I told, this is the first line is the comment. Okay, so always the Python interpreter ignored comments. So the next line to execute is the second line. X is equal to int input enter first number. So we will give 10. Click submit button. So here look at the value stored in memory, that is x is equal to 10, and second line is y is equal to int input enter second number. I am giving 20. Click submit button. So here you can see x is 10, y is 20, and now the next line to execute, t is equal to x. So click next button. You can change the you can see the changes here. T is equal to 10 updated, and again click next button. Now x is updated, so x is equal to 20, and again press next button. Y is equal to 10. So finally when you click next, you will see the output in output screen. After swapping, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the first one, swapping two numbers without this multiple assignments, and second one using multiple assignments. So the code is here. Click this visualize execution. So again press 10 for first one, click submit. So look at the memory and enter second number, click submit button. You can see here, and now the statement is x comma y is equal to y comma x. Simultaneously the values are swapped. Okay, so when I click the next button, see the this memory. Okay, so immediately x is equal to x becomes 20, y becomes 10. Okay, so the here x comma y is equal to y comma x. The y is assigned to x, at the same time the x is assigned to y. So click previous button. So here 10 comma 20. Okay, so initial input values, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. So click next button. You can see the changes here. X becomes 20, y becomes 10. So after clicking next button, you can see the final output of our program. After swapping, x is equal to 20, y is equal to 10. So this is the use of multiple assignments. So find the output. I comma j comma k is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 10. So ID of I and k are same, all are same IDs, all are different IDs. ID of I and k are same. So find the correct output and write it in the comment section. So in this tutorial we discussed about comments and multiple assignments. So thank you.